So guys, welcome to this power vocabulary session. In this power vocabulary session, you all know that how we go ahead. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? In starting, I just want to tell you in Hindi. इस vocabulary class में बहुत लोग हैं जो आज पहली बार आए हैं. So I welcome everyone here. So in that vocabulary session, हम लोग कुछ नए words को जानते हैं, उसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं and then उसको यूज करते हैं. क्योंकि अगर आप वर्ड्स को यूज नहीं करोगे, इफ यू विल नॉट यूज दोज न्यू वर्ड्स, you will forget. So today we will learn a new word and we will use it. I will give you a topic and I can't give you chance, they give chance to everyone. So I'll tell you what to do. You have to make a speech with that new topic, which we will be learning. So आप लोग को एक टॉपिक दिया जाएगा और एक वर्ड दिया जाएगा, आपको उस वर्ड को उस टॉपिक में यूज करना है. ठीक है, जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे चीजें और क्लियर होती जाएंगी आपको. So by the time, let's begin our class. Okay, can you see the screen right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you very much.
I can see.
So as we know that vocabulary means words, word collections. Okay, so some really good words. So before we go ahead, आज हम लोग सीखेंगे वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा वर्ड. Okay, the world's longest word. लेकिन before I go ahead, I would really love to know, आपको मैं पूछूंगा कि is there any idea, आपको पता है, do you have any idea what is the longest word in English dictionary? Can anybody
Yes,
tell
sir,
me
I
that?
know. Yes, sir, I know.
Oh, yes, you know that. Yeah, Shagun, tell me what is that?
Flossy, nosy, nihili, pilification.
My God, very smart girl, huh? What did you say again? Repeat it.
Flossy, nosy, nihili, pilification.
Is it a word? Because I come to know about this word first time in my life. What
Yes,
is the
my father tells it is in word. 29 letters. Yes, sir,
okay?
it is a big word.
It is a very big word. Is there anyone who want to add something?
Sir, may I?
Just a minute. One by one, I'll tell to everyone. Yes, Sabreen Nahar, tell me.
Sir, floxinosinihilipilification.
What is that?
Sir, can I speak?
Yeah, I'll come to you, Arvind. Just a minute. I'll come to you. So many new words are coming. So we are learning new words here. So yeah, Sabreen, you said something. Again, repeat.
Yes, sir. Floxinosinihilipilification.
Okay, how many letters are there?
I don't know.
Okay, Arvind ji. Yeah, waiting for you.
I didn't count.
Sir, this is a very significant word, hypothetically. Hypothetically, significant, consequently. These are the words, the very good and longest word in this.
Okay, so now, but these are not longest word. These are not longest word. Yeah, these are long, but there are very few letters are there. But I'm looking out for the longest word. Yeah, is
Sir,
there
may
any-
I?
who is
Sir,
there?
may I? Sir, Nivedita.
Nivedita ji, boliye. Yes.
Sir, I am just try, okay? I'll just try.
Okay.
Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcaniosis.
Okay, you are very close to that, but pronunciation needs to be more perfect.
Yeah, sir. That,
Yeah, Neelam ji, tell me.
Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, is there anyone who would like to add?
He is correct. C is correct.
Okay.
Comprehends.
Okay, let's see. Now I'll show you that longest word, and yes, some of our friends are right. The longest word is, and you all have to speak that, okay? So this is the sentence called my colleague is suffering from. This is a disease name.
Pneumonia.
Okay, this is a disease name.
Diarrhea.
Eosinophilia.
सर मैं आई
Yeah, tell me.
सर जो मैंने अभी कहा था न्यूमोनो अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोपिक सिलिकोवल्कानोकोनियोसिस
Thoda, you have to be more faster. You have to be more faster.
न्यूमोनो अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोपिक सिलिकोवल्कानोकोनियोसिस
Okay, very good. But you're doing very nice. Absolutely right. What Neelam has said and Nivedita has said, absolutely right. The longest word is this. This is a one word, okay? This is so long that I have kept it in 2 rows. So first of all, I tell you guys, please write it down. Write it down in your copies. Write it down. If it is already written, then it is perfect. But if you have, if you see this word for the first time, please write it down in your copy. The word is pneumono-ultramicroscopy silicovolcanoconiosis. Pneumono-ultramicroscopy silicovolcanoconiosis. Okay, I'll come to everyone and I'll let you speak the same word. Yes, it has 45 letters. It has 45 letters. Pneumono-ultramicroscopy silicovolcanoconiosis. Okay, so let's ask. Yeah, we can see Porna Chaudhary. Porna, can you pronounce it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
That is
yeah.
pneumono ultramicroscopic silico. I
This
can't,
is not
sir.
a sentence. This is not a sentence. This is a word. You have to read it at a one go.
Can you repeat again, sir?
Okay. Suppose it is a name of a disease. So if I have this is the fill in the blank. So I'll complete this. My colleague is suffering from. Okay. So my colleague is suffering from pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Sir, you are telling so fast.
Although this is a word. This is not a sentence. This is a word. I can't say. Suppose the word is monkey. I cannot say monkey. I cannot be so slow, right? I have to speak fast. Monkey, right? So like that, this is a new word called pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Yeah, Jasmeet Kaur is ready, I guess. Yeah, Jasmeet ji, tell me.
Not at all, sir. Just I am laughing because I see this word and verbally I am pronounced with laughing, not word.
Arey yaar, we are practicing. We are practicing. And I want
मैं
everyone.
सर उसको ना हिंदी में आप जब बोल रहे थे हिंदी में लिखने की कोशिश कर रही थी कि मैं उसको बाद में बोल पाऊँ.
Please, guys, please mute yourself and try to practice from your end. Try to practice from your end. And I want by today, when we will end this today's class, you should all be able to speak this word. Everyone, you should be able to speak this word. Okay, I'll come to everyone.
एक बार आप बिल्कुल स्लो में बोल के छोड़ दीजिए एक बार.
Please mute yourself.
Hello,
Please.
sir. It's lots of disturbing.
Yeah. Just a minute. Please, guys, don't speak one by one. You guys have to speak, okay? Okay, I'm speaking very slow, okay? This is a word again. I can't speak slow, but as you are requesting, so I have to speak slowly. Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Sir, it is very
Sir, can
confusing.
I? Sir, can I?
Yeah, Brownie, go ahead.
Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Very good. You are pronouncing well, but you need to be more faster.
Yes, sir.
You need to be more faster, right? Pneumono ultramicroscopic volcanoconiosis.
No,
Okay, I'll go to I'll go to Nusrat Jahan. Nusrat Jahan ji, will you try?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My colleague is suffering from pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanosis. Is it right?
Problem हो जाएगा. You are right, but थोड़ा सा last में problem हो गया. Okay. Let's see some
Okay.
other. Horipodo, you want to speak?
Sir, pneumono ultra silicon. What is
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप लोग?
pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanosis? Sir, it is very difficult.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me the name first.
Sir, Lavanya.
Yeah, Lavanya, tell me.
Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
No, it's not coniosis, coniosis. Coniosis, and you have to speak more faster. You have to speak more. Okay, for your benefit, you know, I'm telling you, I'll divide it into pieces by pieces, so don't worry. Total, there are 45 letters. Total, there are 45 letters. Okay. So this is the syllable. This is the syllable. You can see the syllable. It will help you out. No ultra. Okay, so just a minute. There will be just a minute. It will be ultra. Okay. So I'll show you the screen right now. It's very easy. I think by today only you all will be speaking this. No ultra microscopic volcanoconiosis. So this is the process. Okay, I'll go to Manjula.
Sir,
Yeah, I'll go to Manjula. Yes, Manjula. Tell me now.
Nemo ultra micro silicovolcanoconiosis.
You try hard, but it is not correct. You have missed out many syllables. Yeah, I'll go to Saurya Gupta. Saurya Gupta, you want to try?
yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
अरे मतलब क्या मतलब न्यूमोनो आज बोलोगे कल बाकी बोलोगे क्या? This is a word. So you have
I can't tell you.
Yeah, Deepika, tell me.
Sir, may I?
Deepika, you want to speak? Your voice is not reaching.
Sir, may I?
Just a minute.
Sir, pneumono ultra microscopic silicosis.
Sir, can I try?
Silicovolcanoconiosis.
Sir, may I?
Okay, just a minute. I guess you have all written down the word. Now I'll come one by one. So please mute yourself. Okay, I'll go to Nomita Das. Nomita, will you try?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
Shagun wants to.
Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Very good, very good. But you need to speak the whole sentence. My colleague is suffering from
Yes. Okay. Okay. My colleague is suffering from pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Yes, very good, very good. Tumpa, you want to try?
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. My colleague is suffering from pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Okay, very well tried, but you need to be faster today. Yeah, Shagun. Yeah, I'll come to you. Sakshi, I'll come to you. Just a minute. Shagun, you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Your voice is not coming, Shagun.
I would like to go next. I'm Shivankar.
Yeah, I'll come to you, Shubham. Yeah. Okay, Sakshi Pandey, will you try?
Sir, my colleague is suffering from pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanosis.
No, you have to practice more. Yeah, Shubhankar, you want to speak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Shall I go now?
Yeah,
My
go
colleague
ahead.
is suffering from pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Very good, Haripado. You tried very good. Very nice. Very happy.
It's me, Shivankar, not Haripado.
Okay, sorry. Shubhankar. Shubhankar.
Okay. I'm not Haripado.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Okay, just a minute.
Sir, may I?
Okay, Nivedita, you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My colleague is suffering from pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Very good. It is much better than what you said initially.
sir.
Very nice. Very good. Okay, I'll again come to you. Before that, I would like to show you what is the meaning. Nobody is asking about the meaning of it. सब लोग words में इतने खो गए, किसी ने meaning के बारे में
Sir, may I?
Who is there?
Nusrat.
Yeah, Nusrat. Okay, tell me, Nusrat.
I think it is a condition of the disease, like a pneumonitis. It is related to that.
Okay, you are right, but okay, just to know more, let's go ahead. See, you have to divide this word into various parts.
Yeah.
Pneumono is one part, ultra is one part, microscopic is one part, silico is one part, volcano is one part, and coniosis is one part.
Sir, the thing is, I already Googled this one. When I see the word.
See, right now, please don't go to Google. You know, we are learning here, so no need to go anywhere.
I was trying to pronounce that one.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Sir, so much of disturbance is coming.
Pneumono, as we know that pneumonia is a disease, you know, where what happens normally the alveoli of lung, ये lung का एक disease है, जिसमें lung के जो parts हैं वो, you know, it gets jammed, जिससे lungs में ना सांस लेने में problem होती है. It's a lung disease. So lung disease जैसे pneumonia होता है ना, so like that pneumonia जो इस word में pneumono है is basically is a kind of a disease called pneumonia. But why it happens? इसमें क्या होता है? बहुत ultra मतलब बहुत छोटा, very tiny, very micro. तो इसमें बहुत micro dust होते हैं जिसको आप normally देख नहीं सकते. These are microscopic. You can see through microscope only. तो ये dust, कुछ डस्ट पार्टिकल होते हैं जो लंग्स में जमा हो जाते हैं, जिसको नॉर्मली कोई आंख से देख नहीं सकता. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज सी थ्रू माइक्रोस्कोपिक. ये कहाँ से होता है? यू नो, देयर आर मेनी पीपल, दे वर्क इन अ सेक्टर वेयर लॉट ऑफ डस्ट इज इन्वॉल्व्ड. देखोगे बहुत लोग काम करते हैं लाइक सीमेंट में, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे मिक्सचर में काम होता है, तो वहाँ पे सिलिका मतलब डस्ट, बहुत डस्ट उड़ते हैं जो हमारे नाक के थ्रू फ्रॉम आवर नोज इट गोज टू आवर लंग्स. सो इट हैपेंस ड्यू टू सिलिको. सिलिको मींस डस्ट. और ये वोल्केनो मतलब कुछ लोग जो वोल्केनो जहाँ पे होते हैं, यू नो, दे वर्क नियर द वोल्केनो. तो वोल्केनो का जो वहां पे जो हीट होता है, वो हीट डस्ट के साथ मिलके भी इट गोज टू आवर लंग्स. तो कभी कभी ये वोल्केनो में जो काम करते हैं वो उनका भी होता है ये डिजीज. एंड समटाइम्स दिस डिजीज गोज टू दोज पीपल हु वर्क्स इन अ डस्टी एरियाज. सो या तो ये डस्ट के कारण हो सकता है, या वोल्केनो के सामने जो रहता है उसको ये बीमारी हो सकती है. and coniosis is the disease name. And coniosis is the disease name. So suppose एक doctor is writing on his prescription. एक doctor अपने prescription में लिखता है कि इसको ये disease हुआ है. तो doctors, even doctors do not write it whole. Doctors भी इतना बड़ा नहीं लिखते हैं. Doctors देखते हैं अगर ये volcano से हुआ है तो simply they write volcanoconiosis. So this is one of the disease name, volcanoconiosis. अगर डॉक्टर देखता है कि वो इंसान वोल्केनो में काम करता है, वहां के डस्ट एंड हीट से ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, देन दे से इट इज वोल्केनोकोनियोसिस. और अगर ये नॉर्मल डस्ट से होता है, देन दे से इट इज सिलिकोकोनियोसिस. इट इज सिलिकोकोनियोसिस. तो डॉक्टर्स इवन डोंट राइट द होल थिंग. Even doctors also write very small silicoconiosis or volcanoconiosis. So either it happens through silica dust or it happens through volcano. So this is very important because before you use this word, you should know the story behind it, the meaning behind it. That is the reason it is very important. So volcanoconiosis, the doctors, they write volcanoconiosis or silicoconiosis. So if next time you see this word, as you know that my colleague is suffering from pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. This is the word, okay?
Sir, I am trying.
Yeah, Priyanka, you can try.
My colleague is suffering from pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Yes, very good. थोड़ा सा रुक गए 2-3 बार. उसको इतना practice कीजिए कि वो आप रुके नहीं. So this is the This is the whole word.
Yes, sir. May I?
Yes. Now, who is there?
Sir, may I?
Just a minute. May I? You speak your name. Yes.
Pneumono ultrasonic. Sir, Priyanka Agarwal, this side.
Just a minute. I'll come to everyone. Don't worry.
Okay. Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay, one by one. एक काम करते हैं. I will give you a topic. Okay. I'm giving you a topic and I will give you 5 minutes time. I'll give you the topic right now. And I'm giving you 5 minutes time to prepare your topic. जो भी मैं टॉपिक दूंगा उस टॉपिक में आपको ये जो वर्ड है, इस वर्ड को यूज करना है 3 बार. You have to use this word for 3 times. Okay. So the name of the topic is The name of the topic is Doctors are real superheroes. Doctors are real superheroes. This is the topic. This is the topic. So what you have to write, you have to create your speech. Your speech should not be more than 2 minutes. आपको एक स्पीच बनाना है. आपके जो स्पीच होंगे वो 2 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं होंगे. Okay, 2 minutes. So ये 2 मिनट में you have to make a speech and you have to speak for maximum 2 minutes and you have to use this word 3 times. You have to use this word 3 times. Now I am giving you 5 minutes. मैं आपको 5 मिनट का समय दे रहा हूँ.
Sir, what word?
What word? I have told you the word. No, pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
That is the topic.
The topic is doctors are real heroes. This is the topic.
Doctors are real superheroes.
Real superheroes, absolutely. So आपको एक पूरा एक speech बनाना है for 2 minutes. 2 minute का आपका topic होगा. In that topic, you have to use this pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis 3 times. आपको ये 3 बार यूज करना पड़ेगा आपके टॉक में. आपको मैं 5 मिनट का समय दे रहा हूं. आई एम गिविंग यू 5 minutes टाइम. In this 5 minutes, you have to prepare your talk, and your 5 minutes starts now. आपके 5 मिनट स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. So please, in this 5 minutes, create your, and while speaking, जब आप बोलोगे आप देख कर भी बोल सकते हो. You can see the copy and you speak. So prepare your speech for 2 minutes. 2 minute आपको बोलने हैं minimum. I'll come to everyone. By the time, if you have any question, you can ask me.
Right now, sir, I am in a driving, so I am unable to write these words.
You can't. Acha. So you want to see that word again?
Sir, I see so many times, but I could not able to speak right now because without any practice, I cannot able to speak.
Okay,
so
do one thing. Arvind ji, do one thing. यहाँ पे मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ. आज का जो टॉपिक है डॉक्टर्स आर रियल सुपर हीरोज.
Okay, no problem, sir.
I would appreciate if you use this word, but if you don't want to use, you just want to speak on the topic, you can go ahead.
Sir, may I? Sir, my name is Nusrat.
Nusrat, you are ready? You are already ready?
Yeah, sir.
Nusrat, you have to wait. Let your other people they finish. Okay, we'll start our topic session. We'll start. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Right, sir. Sir, thank you so much, sir. So first of all, I would like to say, really, this kind of the disease is really I hear first time. It's a very, as first time I hear that is a very difficult to say, but I will try to my best as you teach us now. So thank you so much. I'm just going to start on that speech. Okay, well, I'm working in a construction site for last few years, sir. But suddenly, I realized that I'm not able to take breath properly. So I went to a doctor for consultations, where doctor found that I'm diagnosed with pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Is a disease, and doctor has prescribed me for silicoconiosis. Really, I and my family very shocked when I found with this disease, which name is pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Thank you, sir.
And told me that I am very ill. After some tests, doctor said you are suffering from pneumono ultra microscopy. Oh, sorry, then he was very surprised, sir. After leaving this word and said to doctor, what is this pneumono ultra microscopy word? Then doctor said, what is your work? He said, I am working around the area of क्या कहते हैं सर वहाँ जहाँ ज्वालामुखी होता है volcano. Yes. Then doctor said that is why you are suffering from pneumono ultra microscopy. So you should.
Good evening, Mr.
Sir, today's my topic is doctors are real heroes. Doctor is a doctor is a second name of God, and they always ready to serve to people to save their lives, and that's why they are the really superheroes. We are when we are get sick, they are sure to their patients, so that's why the doctor are really superhero during this.
Good evening to you all. My name is Sakshi and today's topic is Doctor are real heroes. As we know, doctor are second god. They help us each and every situation. They also make medicine for a disease which is caused by dirt. The disease name is pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. They save our life from this disease due to the disease caused by dirt. Thank you.
My topic is doctors are real superheroes. I made a imaginary story by myself. One day, one of my friend came to my house. She was feeling difficult to breathe. At that time, I remembered our English vocabulary class where I learned about a disease, pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. I told her about the pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. She said, OMG, I never heard about this disease. OMG, Niveta, you are genius. Then we both went to hospital. We checked up, doctor tested, and they also told us about this disease, pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. We said, doctor, is it harmful? Doctor said, no, we have medicine for this disease. We salute our doctors. They are really a superheroes. Thank you.
My dear friends, wish you all a very good evening. So today's topic is doctors are real superheroes. Doctors is the second god for us. My brother is suffering from pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Doctors are real superheroes because they saved my brother's life, who is suffering from pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis, and I am very much worried about the disease, which
is the doctors are real superheroes. The superheroes is a condition of today is a pandemic condition is COVID-19. So many problems are there, and the patient is going to its checkup of doctor. Is said you the problem is pneumococcal ultra microscopic silico volcanoconiosis. And is this this disease is caused by the dust of like that of
everyone. My today's topic is doctors are real superheroes. In 2nd January 2020, my friend was born second time. How a person can born second time? It's all about my experience. I am starting now. My friend Samrat, he was working in silicon factory and he is also a chain smoker. For this reason,
from Delhi. By profession, I am a businessman. So today I got a topic. The doctor is a real hero. The topic which we has given by my educational panel. So the topic is that doctor is a real hero. So I could not able to write this word because I am on the driving. So I parked my car aside. So after that I listened all of you in a very good manner. So I recollect the word in the mind. Next time I will speak. What's so?
Good evening, sir. Good
Good
evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My topic is doctor are real superheroes. Okay. One day I came to know that my friend is suffering from pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. But she don't know about that. And she had gone to hospital and doctors told to doctors, and doctor checked her or testing her, and after checking her report is coming, she suffering from pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis, and she was very afraid. But as the doctor are real superheroes, they treat her or cured her pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis, and for now she has well.
Okay,
Thank
very
you.
good, Neelam. Very nice. You did very good. You know, you unnecessarily you take tension, but ultimately we see that you give a better talk. You did a wonderful talk. It was
Thank
very,
you, sir.
yeah, it was very good. And you know, somewhere I feel you lack the confidence. Otherwise, the talk was nice. Okay, okay, we'll
May
go
I,
to the
sir?
next speaker. Just a minute. I'll go to the next speaker, Manjula, if you are ready. Yeah, Manjula.
Topic is doctors are real superheroes. As we know that doctors are the second god, and in these pandemic situations, they are not taking care about themselves, and they are they are going come out from the home, and they are going to the hospital, and they are between that corona patients, and they won't take care about themselves. Either they will be get survive themselves, or it will be, but they won't take care about themselves, and they are doing really good work for they do a lots of work for us to save our life. And
Doctor sir, second God. So few days back, I am suffering from pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. One day I am feeling some temperature and breathing difficulty. So I want to consult the doctor. He did some tests and he researched some medicine for this.
I have an immense pleasure to talk about doctors are real superheroes. First, I want to sharing my real stories. In 7 years ago, I have worked in mining areas for 5 years. While working, I have faced lungs disease, and I have taken decision to check by doctor. After checking, the doctor told that I am suffering in pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis, and I have to take medicine for 1 month. After completion of full course of medicine, again I checked with doctor to know the status of pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis disease. Again, suggestion of doctor, I started medicine for 3 months. After completion of 3 months medicine, I felt much better than earlier, and I cured from pneumono ultramicroscopic.
Today we are discussing, and sir give us a topic. Doctor are really superhero. So I can say that doctors are really superheroes. It is true, because if we are if we and anybody they who having any kind of disease, that time only and only doctors are there whom are saving our life. Today I am always see the labor those work at my home. One of them suffering from a breathing problem. Maybe it is pneumono ultramicroscopic siliconosis, volcanosis. But I am scared from this, because in 2020 we all facing also COVID-19.
Everyone, today my topic is doctors are super real heroes. Yeah, definitely doctors are really superheroes, because I want to share one of my experience to all of you. That is, a few days ago I heard that one of my brother has hospitalized. So I went there and I saw that his situation was not so good. The situation was critical. So I asked to my family that what disease he was suffering in, which disease. So my family said that they are not aware about this disease. So suddenly my brother unable to take breathe properly. That's why they came to hospital, and the doctors hospitalized him. So I met with doctors. They told that my brother was suffering the disease that is called pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. So when I heard that disease name, I was really shocked, because in my life earlier I have never had this disease name.
This piece on pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. So my story is, one of our neighbor who is working in a cement company, suddenly he is suffering from breathing problem, and I just learned from you about the disease which name pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. So I informed his family that it may be the influence of company and they need to go to doctor, and after testing, doctor informed them that he is suffered from silicoconiosis, and advised them to take medicine and said them